Lavonne's kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen with Rowan and Grayson. And guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna make some chocolate covered pretzels. And then we're gonna decorate them. And guess what the fun part's gonna be? We're gonna do what with them after they're decorated?
Eat them.
Yes, we're gonna eat them. So we're gonna tell you what we're gonna use first of all. So first of all, we have some, what are these?
Pretzels.
Pretzels. Look, they're pretzel rods, so they're long and skinny. It makes them easy to decorate. Then we've got some chocolate. We've got dark chocolate. We've got white chocolate. And what's that? Sprinkles. Look at those. We're gonna decorate with the sprinkles. We've got some heat bars we're gonna use to decorate. And we might even do some drizzling of some chocolate if we wanna get really, really fancy, okay? So let's get everything ready and we'll be back. So while we're getting everything ready, you know what I need you to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button and we'll be back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take our heat bars and crush them up, okay? Can you put the heat bars in the bag for me? And let's seal it up. Can you help her seal it up? There you go. There you go. Okay, now that we have our heat bars and our, what are these called again? Sprinkles. Okay, so we have our toppings ready. So we're getting ready to melt our chocolate. So we have some shot glasses, which is gonna make it easier for us to dip in. So let's go ahead and put some of the white chocolate in one.
Hopefully don't mess it up.
Yeah. And then we're going to put the dark chocolate in the other, and we're gonna use a makeshift double boiler. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take our shot glasses and put them in some water, some boiling water, and let them melt.
Okay, I think this is like...
Okay, now we're gonna put them in the double boiler, and always be careful not to touch the pot. There you go. And we're just gonna let those sit there and melt for a minute. And it should only take 1 minute, if that. As you can see, it's starting to melt. So we're gonna dip it.
This looks so good. I want to eat this already. It's so thick and creamy and perfect for dipping.
Are you guys ready to taste the chocolate dip pretzels?
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
This.
Well, you get yours. Which one do you want?
This one.
All right. All right, grab it. And there you go. Crunch. What do you think? So I hope you ladies had fun making our chocolate pretzels today in Lavonne's kitchen. We're going to eat the rest of these pretzels. I want to thank them for joining us in Lavonne's kitchen. Thank you for joining us. And guess what? We'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.